today I'm going to take you through
how you can bypass
hello screen
on iPhone 5s
to 14 Pro Max
or 15 Pro Max. I'll be using our bypass.
Pro. So
You need to download this too. So as you can see the prices here. You need to register your serial number before you can be able to complete the bypass process. Contact me
to register your serial number at a fee. Registering here
is a little bit expensive.
Contact me and I'll give you the best price.
Click under the description. My WhatsApp number is there.
The software comes in
two types:
from iPhone XR, XX, XX Max to 14 Pro Max, 15 Pro Max.
You can download these two.
This one will ensure your network will work after completing the bypass. Whilst with this one, you can do the activation rights to bypass the hello screen, but your network will not work.
So the choice is yours. So you can choose to use the premium, or you can choose to use this one. And now
with the version 5.0, you can use that one to bypass from iPhone 5s to iPhone X.
The first one is from iPhone
5s to iPhone X.
Whilst the second one is from iPhone
XR, XX to 15 Pro Max or 14 Pro Max.
I have already downloaded
The software.
I'll install it.
So you see how it is.
So
as you can see, this one is from A7 to 11 chipset.
So we run it here. What you need to do now
is to connect your USB cable to check whether it
supports your phone
or not. So we pick our phone,
then we insert our USB cable. From 5s to iPhone X,
you need to jailbreak the phone. From XR, XX and 14 Pro Max or 12 Pro Max, you don't need to
jailbreak the phone.
So after connecting your phone, it's going to be detected
by the software. Click on
enter recovery mode. You have to jailbreak the phone first
to check whether it's working. With the iPhone 12 Pro Max,
XX Max and stuff, so you don't need to do those things. So
click on boot device. This is where we start the jailbreaking process. You hold the power button and the volume down button, and you click start.
And release the power button.
Then while you keep holding the volume down button to jailbreak. So it's going to install the necessary drivers.
I'm going to attempt to activate the device. So after clicking on the activating device, it's going to check your device. Congratulations, your device is supported. You can register now and wait for it to be ready. To register your serial number, you can contact me so that I can assist you. So you need to copy your serial number, which has already been copied here, but you can copy it as well.
So after copying your serial number,
you can send it to me through WhatsApp
so that I can assist you to register your serial number and go back to activate it.
So after registering
your serial number,
you need to connect your device again with the software. So we are going to insert our USB cable.
So just click on activate device to complete the process. Click on activate device. So as you can see, your device was successfully activated. Your phone will restart. We are done with the process. So just like I said earlier on, baseband, that's the network. I'm going to insert my SIM card inside to make sure it's working. Activated. So I'll connect my SIM card to check the network. Network is working perfectly. I'll put my phone on airplane mode, then to check the network again. So as you can see, it's working, everything is working perfectly. I'll check my settings to confirm the serial number. As you can see, this is my serial number. If you have any issue, you can check under the description to WhatsApp me.